Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to give you a Shiba Inu update. We're going to be breaking down Shiba Inu from a technical analysis perspective, looking at new entry points, new buying areas, and also new price predictions for this asset to see where we think this could be going here over the next few days, few weeks, few months or so. Without further ado, let's get straight into this update. But quickly, just want to talk to you about Base Dogs. It's a Shiba Inu based meme coin that I've just thrown into my portfolio. They've just raised $3 million. Telling you guys this because it's super early alpha entry. And yeah, if you do want to get involved with this, you can. All the links are in the description. Super good project, guys. And also there is a free airdrop if you want to go claim that as well. Without further ado, let's get straight into the Shiba Inu technical analysis update here. So let's talk about this from a perspective where we want to make money. Of course, that is why we're here. You can see these are very prominent trend lines to the downside here that have been holding for resistance. Okay, you can see resistance has been pretty strong across the board, guys, for this asset. We have been setting new lows continuously here on the micro downtrend here. But overall, on the macro, it's still bullish, and let me explain why. If we're going into the market structure standpoint of the current bull market, guys, when we had such a violent pump to the upside for SHIB, this was, as I said, literally 2 weeks of just pure bullish momentum going from 962 all the way up to 45. Did we kill a few zeros there? Yeah, I think it was roughly around a 3x potentially for SHIB there. It was ridiculous. Yeah, it was a 4.6x up to bull market highs, guys. And from that point onwards, it's just sort of been trending down, which is fine. I know the crypto markets have been correcting. We haven't really seen alt season wake up just yet, but what I'm saying here, guys, is we're nearly back to that sort of a early entry point before that 4x, which essentially means, in my book, a big buying area, right? I've been DCing the whole way down here. I'm super bullish on SHIB. I do think that this is going to explode. But let's talk about some very interesting levels that we can be looking out for here over the next few days or so, because we're sat on a pinnacle level. And this is why I'm doing this update for you today, guys, because obviously we're here to make money, and I'll show you guys potentially an entry for you guys to be looking out for there. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, all that good stuff. So the trend line that we're looking out for here is the bull market high to this lower high that was set, micro lower high, may I add, was set just testing the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement zone. And you can see from this point, we came down, we stress tested the 0.5 for the confirmation of the reversal of the trend, and we saw this actually play out quite aggressively here. Now, why is that important? It's important because we have been trending down for a long time. When this happens, guys, we need a reversal, okay? We're still bullish on the macro and bullish on crypto overall, so we need a reversal, and we need to be looking at the key breakout points here for potential trades. Number one, key breakout point will be at the 0.618 Fibonacci. You can see the support that we've had off this previously. It is pretty goddamn good, okay? It's only natural that we will see some price action here. Now, also on top of that, we do have a parallel trend line sort of in this, well, exactly the same direction here. It's parallel to it, that has seen heavy points of resistance throughout this run, okay? Now, why is it important? It's important because we're just on that point right now, right? We're just on that point right now, and essentially this means potentially we could have a breakout to the upside. If we see a breakout to the upside here, then it's very likely that we actually travel all the way up to this the next trend line to the upside, and that will be around an 18.81% move, guys. Okay, and this is it's not that hard for this to happen. You can see it's happened here previously. You can see the volume weighted ATR on the 4 hour is now pretty much in a progressionary stance. We nearly hit that progressionary stance. Oh no, it isn't a progressionary stance, which is bullish. It means that we can actually trend alongside to the upside of it. Usually the first test we see a bit of resistance, absolutely fine. But what we're really looking out for here is going to be these the initial candle body closes here, the consolidation above the 0.618, and also this trend line, and also keeping this 4 hour in a progressionry stance. If we can keep all of those things, then it's very likely that we actually see the move to the upside take place. Okay, so let's get rid of this TA for a second, and let's talk about the quantum insight overall, guys, because you can see in terms of resistance points, we have seen very strong areas coming through around 52.8 and 55.9. You can see the momentum is creeping up to that area right now. Okay, usually when this happens, guys, we see a bit of resistance. That's absolutely fine. Once this levels out, exactly what I was saying about consolidation, we can be looking for a nice move to the upside. So probably like 3, 4, 5 days or so. Gives stochastic time to come down, gives momentum time to come down, and after setting such a pinnacle low here in momentum in the last wave down, it's well, not quite important, it's quite likely that we do see a bounce back coming through for SHIB. So what we're really looking to play out here is consolidation, is sort of a minor resistance from this trend line. Once we see us hovering around this area in a few days, so coming into September, then it's very likely that we do see a nice big explosion in the price. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of that little SHIB update there, and whether you're involved with SHIB, and drop a little like on the video if you could, if you enjoyed it and you got some value there. And before we go here, guys, just to reiterate, Base Dogs is a project that has just raised $3 million. Shiba Inu based project. It's a multi-chain, multi-asset experience. One of the first that I've seen here. Yeah, it's very cool from a brand identity perspective. Free airdrop if you guys want to go claim it. All the links are in the description. Super early alpha entry there. That's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.